Welcome to FX Book Your Table by IDS Next. Today's diners seek convenience and comfort that complement with their lives. So, if you're still taking reservations on pen and paper, or if your table booking system is still not integrated with other operations, this is your time to upgrade. How about working with a reservation system that is designed for growth? Introducing FX Book Your Table, a table reservation and restaurant channel manager. FX Book Your Table manages table availability, reservations, and customer profiles for multiple outlets and do so via multiple sources. What makes FX Book Your Table special? Restaurants using FX Book Your Table can receive reservations directly via Google from their customers. Integrated with Reserve with Google, FX Book Your Table lets customers use the Reserve a Table option to book their preferred time slots. Restaurants adopting flexible online solutions like FX Book Your Table can handle 30% more customer volume without any increase in the original waiting time. By using FX Book Your Table, you can empower your restaurants too. Give your staff an easy-to-use single-screen solution to view, create and manage other reservations coming in via multiple sources. Provide convenient booking facilities to guests. Create guest portfolios to track customer preferences, allergies, spending power, visit count and more. Collect customer data to provide better experiences in the future. And integrate with the POS system for synchronized operations across departments. We are IDS Next, hospitality solution providers trusted by the industry for over 35 years. Delivering operational excellence with global cybersecurity standards. And the earned trust of hospitality brands across the globe. Create the ultimate dining experience and reserve a spot in your customers' hearts by using FX Book Your Table today.